So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. Ooh, very nice chic pixie bob style. Loving the bright blonde color. So pretty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more long to short hair transformations. Here we have the stylist doing a bob haircut. Nice, chic, and simple bob style. Loving the shape of that. Very nice. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have someone with rather long hair. Looks like the stylist might be doing some layers for this one. I love her hair color, so pretty. It's like a really nice ginger color. And her hair looks so volumized after this haircut. Very nice. Great way to shake things up without doing anything too drastic. And then we see someone with some grown out color. Looks like she wants to cut the hair as well. Ooh, a nice shoulder length blonde style. Very nice. Wow, so we have someone here with long curly hair. She has some gorgeous hair. The stylist cuts off all that long curly hair. She ended up getting a curly pixie style. Look at this design he put in. Wow. Very cool. So chic and stylish. I love this hair change. Alright you guys, so I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.